Hello everyone, today we will learn how to achieve this type of 4K quality in Capcut. So first of all, connect VPN. Then open Capcut. Click on New Video and select your clip or video. Split extra part of video. Go to Adjust and apply this setting. Select Auto Adjust and Color Correction to fix your video's colors, but don't overdo it, because the clip will look too bright. Then go to Filters and search 4K. Choose the first filter 4K and adjust the intensity as needed. And boom! Your video quality has been upgraded from here to here. And one last master move. Go to Adjust again, select Sharpen and set the intensity to 50. And there you go, your 4K quality video is ready. Now you can see the difference. And one very important thing. If you edit from your phone and upload it to YouTube from your PC, then keep the resolution setting like this. And if you are uploading on Instagram, no matter if the video was edited on PC, the quality should be 1080p and frame rate 30. And if there are smooth transitions in the edit, then 60. And in the end, keep the bitrate as recommended. Thanks for watching. And if you like this tutorial and this was really helpful, so like and share to beginners and subscribe for more tutorials and amazing edits.